Welcome to the quick guide to assembling your operator chair. No tools are required. Your fittings include a seat, a backrest, one star-shaped base, 5 casters, a telescopic gas strut cover where supplied, and 1 gas lift. Take the wheelbase and add 5 casters. Fit the telescopic gas lift to the star-shaped base. Take the telescopic cover where supplied and slot it on top of the gas lift. Attach the seat to the gas lift using the large locator hole underneath. Attach the backrest stem to the seat. Be sure to slot it all the way in and position the cover where supplied. The wheel behind the seat can be used to change the height of the backrest. Take your weight off the seat and lift the lever to raise the seat height. A single lever can be lifted to lower the height of the chair. The recline angle of the backrest can be adjusted by releasing the lever, where supplied, and moving the backrest back and forward. On chairs with a seat tilt action, a lever can be released and the seat will tip to your preferred angle. The lever can be used to lock it in the ideal position. It's that easy. Now enjoy the comfort of your new chair.